Jackson's birthday. He turns 9 years old today. So he requested, because you know every child has a special meal in this house, and usually on their birthday I will make their favorite meal, just kind of like cater to them. So he's no different, even with COVID going around. We had to cancel his birthday party because it's just getting way too risky to be, having people over. So we canceled his birthday party because we had a huge birthday party that we had planned for him. So we had to cancel everything. We had to, cancel invitation. So Rob's home today. I haven't been vlogging, so you guys don't know that he's home, but he's home, which is really nice. I'm getting ready to do some onion rings in the air fryer. I'm letting that heat up a little bit, and then I'm gonna have that for breakfast. I love onion ring. I eat onion ring all day, every day. The birthday boy is upstairs on Zoom. He goes until 2 o'clock. Destiny get out at 12. My niece, she's off today. She doesn't have school today right here. I will show her face later. You guys know, probably have seen her on one of my vlogs, but not seeing her face. The twins are still on Zoom. There they are. Those two have Zoom until when? All day? Yeah. Maddie doesn't start Zoom until the 19th because she was a brick. And then I pulled her all together. So she only had speech. So I had a meeting with her teacher and the IEP people the other day, and got her switched to Click because she needs to be part of her IEPs require her to be in school. And so she was out for a very long time, so now they want her back in school. So she goes back on the 19th, and then I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys what Jackson requested for his meal. Okay, so these are Rob's and I. That has nothing to do with the baby. He wanted sausages, so we got some bread. He wanted sausages for lunch, so we got some bread to go with the sausage. And these are the sausage. They're spicy. He likes the spicy kind. And then for dinner he requested meatballs, so I got 2 packs of these. And then we're gonna do spaghetti. Rob likes the flat kind, so we just went ahead and got that. I found this sulfur soap. I've been looking for this forever. Found it. This is what we usually use in Jamaica to kind of like, clear up our skin. So I found this. So that's what I'm going to be using to wash my face from now on. And this is just more sausage in here. Yeah, that's just more sausage and ground beef back there. So it's not a big haul. It's just a little haul of all the, because I have everything else at home. So Rob is getting ready to start the grill. Rob is gonna start the grill soon. He's right here. Yeah, he's gonna start the grill and put the sausages on there. And it's cold, but yeah. So there won't be a cleaning video tomorrow. Instead, you guys are just gonna get this vlog. And Rob has my front area wide open. I don't do this. Never, ever, 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 ever. My door, because we have a screen door. Have I ever had my front door open with my front window open? I don't do that ever. Rob is home when you see all of this going on. It's nice, but at the same time, I don't mix and mingle with, anyone over there. So there's no reason for all my business to be out broadcasting. You know what I mean? Like, but anyways, this is my baby. Forever, ever, my baby. She's 18 now, so she's finally home after 15. Is it 15? 15 years? Yeah?
I think after 6th grade.
6th grade? Yeah, after 6th grade. I had her since she was a baby until 4, when she turned 4. And then she came back when she was much younger and stayed with us for a little while with her younger sister. And then after that, it was just her mom taking care of her. And then now she's 18 and she's home. Finally, yes. Finally home. We're going to get her driving. I have to get her driving. We got to get everything transferred. She's going to college. Smartest little thing you will ever see in your whole life right here. Like, this is a whole package of smartness. So she got accepted into a whole bunch of colleges, but we're trying to get her close to home where she can come home, so she don't have to stay on the dorm, because that's expensive. So we're trying to get her that, and then I also get her a job down here because she left her job where she was. So she used to work at Starbucks. She's a barista, like little tiny little barista right here, right there. Her shoe size, oh my gosh, she has the tiniest baby feet ever. She's a size 6. 18, size 9 over there, ready to take my stuff out of my closet. But yes, that's my beautiful niece, Janelle, my baby. Now I gotta go put this stuff in here because I'm over here talking up a storm and don't even realize. Okay, does this only take? Ooh, I burned. What is that? Ew! I thought this thing was clean. Rob had leftover meat from his dinner yesterday. I gotta get rid of this. All right, got that taken care of. Now, we're just gonna stick this bad boy up in there. Hopefully it didn't turn off. Nope. All right, so we're gonna cook this for 5 minutes. All done. Got my sauce here. And, oh my gosh. This is the bomb. Oh my gosh, guys. These onion rings. OMG. Guys. Oh. I love these onion rings. Like, this is all I eat. I'm about to give my niece some so she can try them. And my daughter, because she loves onion rings too. Okay, so Jack is still on Zoom. His older brothers are watching him, so 3 boys are still in school. The girls are done. Well, Janelle never had school. She was off today. But Destiny got out at 12.
Yes.
I'm a hot mess.
It smells good in here.
Oh my gosh, what's on my clothes? I was relaxing and then Rob was like, Destiny wants to go to Books A Million. What? Is it Books A Million?
Yes.
Am I saying it right? Yeah, Books A Million. Don't mind that sound on my truck. I need tires. Like, my truck is only, 2 years old and I already need tires. We don't really go anywhere, so I don't know why. Anyways, gotta put my belts on. But we're going to Books A Million. But we're trying to decide whether or not we want to get... Oh, babe, that couch is free.
No.
Did y'all see that couch?
Please.
It said, please. It doesn't say it. Nah, it's please. It says free. I could probably redo it. You girls would want to redo a couch with me? Janelle, you want a couch? Sure. Of course you would. So we're thinking maybe we want to get him a hoverboard, but I didn't want to get him a hoverboard because I feel like he's way too young for it. I really do think he's way too young, and he's gonna be irresponsible, probably burn our house down because those things are known for fire hazards. So he wanted it for Christmas. Sorry, Rob, gotta see. He wanted it for Christmas, and we said no. But here I am on his birthday. Don't have him anything. We were gonna get him V-Box. Is it V-Box?
Yeah, for
V-Box or Roblox. Either or, one of them. Whichever he chooses, we're gonna purchase a whole bunch for him on his because he plays through virtual, and he also has his Nintendo Switch Lite. So he asked for that, but at the same time I want something tangible where he can open. I don't know, but we're gonna go get him a cake because his mom was supposed to come over, but I said no because he's not feeling good. We don't know what it is. I know it's not COVID, but I don't want to take that risk and have his mom come over and then that be on us if something happened and she catch something, and you know what I mean. So I just told him, no, I don't want your parents coming over because I don't want nothing happening to them. You know what I mean? When we do feel better later on, we'll go over there and celebrate Jackson's birthday with them. But right now, we're taking Destiny to Books A Million.
Yes.
Because she gotta go find
A dork diary.
a who?
A dork diary.
Dork diary book. Yes. So we're on the hunt. And I want to go to Five Below. I don't know why, but I think Five Below has a bunch of amazing little gadgets. And I love gadgets.
We're looking for a bag to put your mask in, Mom.
Stop it. Stop.
You were looking.
Because Rob said no to my little dollar mask from my mask container from Target.
No.
Rob said no to it. So I got mad and put it back. No, I went back. They didn't have any more. After he was like, sure, you can have it. Way after the fact. So they didn't have it anymore. Well, he didn't say I couldn't have the mask. He said no to my candle holders, which were $25. He was like, no. I was like, I don't like when he says no to me. I don't like it. And of course, everybody's going to be like, you're a brat. I'm not a brat. It's just that Rob doesn't like my decorating. He doesn't think that's it. He doesn't think it's necessary. He's like a boring man. The house would be empty if it was for him.
He wants a modern house.
He wants a modern house. He doesn't like farmhouse stuff. So I guess we're gonna start over, right, honey?
I'm not starting off.
I guess we're gonna keep what we have, but anyways, that's what we're doing right now. I might bake a cake. Rob don't think that we can pull off baking a cake.
I can pull off that.
That's any good. Even though she did make brownies that were missing an ingredient.
That's
An
because I followed it on-
ingredient. Dang, that was hard. It was missing an ingredient. It was
Ingredient?
missing an
Sugar.
ingredient. Sugar.
That's
And it
okay.
just tasted nasty. I was like, what the heck is this, Destiny? That's the thing with Destiny. If it's missing an ingredient, she's not gonna stop. She's gonna go. She's just gonna continue. And I'm like, honey, if you're missing an ingredient, you need to not do it. But she went ahead and did it. But Rob tasted it and he was like, he's so sweet. He's not gonna be the one to tell her, oh, this is nasty. He's just gonna pass it to me and I'm gonna be like, oh, what the heck is this? And then she's gonna be like, oh, this is what I did wrong, and you know. But anyways, we might just buy a whole cake. I'm talking way too long, so I'll see y'all at the store.
Slowly.
Don't mind my situation here. Got some Krabby Patties for Maddie's. Maddie here. And then I got a charger situation for my phone. And then it connects to this one. So I got to charge my AirPods and my phone. So I got that. And then I got another case for my AirPods. It's pink. I've been looking for pink all over. So I finally found it. Right now, currently, I have blue on it, which is, you know, it's okay. I don't know where the other one. Turquoise. It's turquoise? Is it? No, it's blue. Blue is blue. No, blue is blue. Where's my other air? Let me put my belt on before Popo see me. Let's put my belt on.
Like, sir, you been drinking?
I know, like, why is your wife in the front of the seat? She's a grown woman. Alright, buckled up. So, let's put this bad boy back up in here. Connected. I know it's connected, Mom, Papa. I only use one AirPods at a time. I currently don't put two in because, you know, I have kids. I have to be alert. Come on! Alright, so I'm about to change this out and show you guys what the pink one looked like. This is cute. I got it from Target for $3. This was $4, but it came with a whole bunch of other accessories. So I think it was worth $4. Man, let me see. Let me see.
That's how they go on.
Let me see it. What the What is that? Why is it like that? Like, is it supposed to stick out?
Auntie, put it in your ear.
What the? Okay, that's right. This is left. No, this is left. No, that's left. Oh, gosh. Why is it in my ear like that? I don't like it. All right. Why is that pink piece right there?
Maybe it's ear support.
Yeah. She said ear support.
Look, it supports your ear.
Why?
Let me see. Keeps it in there. It's like suction. Or
I don't know about this, y'all.
You might want to take it out.
I don't know.
You look
But
weird.
then we got the little thing. I guess
Oh,
you
I think
stick
that's-
them
Yeah.
in there so you don't lose them.
Oh.
I'll mess with that later. Let's go get the boy cake. And then, of course, the pink thing you can't see. I don't think so. It's cute. I like it. I feel like this is going to get dirty. But, let's go in the store. I'll see y'all later. We're here to get Jackson's cake. I forgot my mask. Thankfully, they had a courtesy mask at the door. First stop, right there. Now we gotta go to the bakery. Babe, where's the bakery? On the other side.
Yeah.
On the other side. And then we gotta get cake and ice cream. Because I thought I was gonna bake him a cake, but I'm not going to. It's gonna take too
It's gonna
long.
be like 5 o'clock.
So I'm just gonna. We should just get him frozen meatballs too.
No. We have fast.
Got the toddler here. So just gonna grab a cake, pre-made, and ice cream. So we're done getting our cake, ice cream, and whatever else he had to get. We're heading home so I can be a slave in the kitchen. I'm gonna make my baby his meatball, and this is how my brain is. Like, look at the top to my cup and the straw mismatch. Like crazy. I got the pink. I got this kind of like, it's a pink, and I got the white straw to go with it. So, but gonna go home, cook some dinner.
They do drywall.
They do drywall. You should get their number. We're gonna call y'all back because we're trying to finish our basement. Cause we gotta get a room for this one right here in the basement. We're gonna stick her in the basement so she can have a nice big size room. Get her a closet. Like, ooh, I'm so excited. We're gonna call this man.
We're doing the fence.
We're doing the fence and we're doing the basement. If Trump would let go of $2,000, we should go see Trump.
The truck or what?
No, I can't record the truck.
Why?
Okay, so for today's dinner, it's meatballs and spaghetti. It's Jackson's 9th birthday, so he requested his favorite meal, which is ironic because his name is Jackson Giovanni, which Giovanni is like an Italian name, and he's not Italian. He's half Jamaican, half Spanish. So yeah, about that. Half Jamaican. Yeah, half Jamaican. Is that even a thing? Yeah, whatever. So he requested Spaghetti. We have meatballs that are ready to go in the... I have my water here. It went over a little bit. I need to put that on to boil for my spaghetti. And then we have the meatballs in here going in the air fryer. I'm going to flip these over and then put them in, transfer them over to this pot with some meat sauce, onion, and that's going to be dinner. Okay, guys, so we're making meatballs and spaghetti. We got the meatballs going in the air fryer. I'm tired of opening that thing because I'm doing a what's for dinner. I'm doing a what's for dinner, which is going to be coming out on Saturday because I don't have a grocery haul, and I'm going to be doing what's for dinner twice per month. I'm not going to do every single week, so twice per month. And then I'm going to do grocery haul twice per month. So every Saturday you'll have a video. You'll have a grocery haul and then what's for dinner. And then, you know, yeah, so on and so forth. But I have the meatballs here that's going to be going in the air fryer afterwards. Spaghetti, fettuccine, whatever. About to put on my water so that can boil. But I just wanted to update you guys and then just like leave y'all hanging. I have the worst headache ever, and it could be the fact that I have this fake thing on top of my head. I don't know, could be, but I don't want to pop it off because I'm recording. I don't want to be looking like who did it and why. So let me continue cooking because it's 4:40 and we eat at 6. So yeah, there's that. All right, so I put a little bit of oil, and then we're gonna put some minced garlic. And then over here I have some onion chopped up. So I'm going to saute this a little bit. And then the first batch came out. And then I have my second batch going. I got about 5 more minutes on that. And then I'm going to combine everything. Okay, so dinner is done. This is the meatballs. I put a little bit of salt on here. And then we're going to put cheese. This is the sauce I use. So I use that one. And I also use cheese. We're not going to have bread with this because it's like way too much carb. But this is done. I'm about to plate it. And the kiddos are going to eat. So happy birthday, Jackson. We can put cheese on it, Papa. Go ahead.
And you were going to put it up and let it...
I just did that for the other video. Because it doesn't have to be... No, I'm doing the vlog right now, trying to get some more, you know, content. But dinner's all done. It's, what time is it?
I guess 5:30.
It's 5:28. So we're on time, yes, because we eat at 6. Well, I try for us to eat at 6 every single day. Some days we are early, some days we're late. Doesn't matter, but there's a goal. Like, there's an end goal for me being a mommy. Like, after my kids are fed, they're all washed up and in bed, I'm just like, yes, I did it. One more day in the record books of us keeping these kids alive. Rob looked at me today. Rob said to me, he said, we're doing it. I was like, what the hell is he talking about? Getting all sentimental on me. He was like, we're doing it. We've never had CPS called on us. And, you know, these kids are always fed and they look healthy. I'm just like, we don't have a choice. I mean, we chose to make these babies. So we got to... Happy birthday. He's 9 years old. I can't believe he's 9 years old. When he got introduced,
I'm 19
to
years
you
old.
too. He was what, 2 years old when you got introduced. I love you. I love you so much. Oh, my Pookie. Last year in the single digit. Next year, double digit. He's gonna be 10. And then 11, 12, 13 is like the big one. The twins will be 14 this year. 13.
No, they're 14 already.
My big mama over there will be 19.
Mommy.
Can't believe it.
Mommy.
Maddie will be 5.
They're gonna
Oh,
be,
they're all growing up
they're
already.
gonna be 15 this year.
Yeah, there will be 15. That's
But
what
you
I
said 14.
No, I said 15.
No, you said 14.
When I edit the video, I'll come back and apologize to you. But my arm hurts, so I'll see y'all in a little bit. Daddy Rab over here is making sure dinner is like on point. Okay, he don't play when it comes to food. Don't play. Tonight is trash night. I was supposed to clean today, so trash could go out tomorrow, but I chose not to. So yeah, we're gonna have to go hunt for the garbage. Guys, here goes the little wireless charger situation. So my phone sits here, my AirPods sits here, and then my watch sits on here. I'm not taking my watch off, but just like that. Where is it? And they connect. They connect. So that's that. And then my phone, of course, would lay this way, but I'm recording on it. And then my watch, of course. Let me show y'all for the video purposes. Alright. Let's see. Video purpose. So my watch would, of course, go on like so. And then my phone lays right there. Is it charging? You have to see the light there. And then my phone would, of course, lay here. I like it. I like it a lot. We're going to do cake and ice cream. We found 9 candles. Yay me. I just finished dinner. I mean, I could have wiped off the table a little bit.
You could have. Do it.
I'm not. All right, that's enough. That's good. Jackson's gonna sit there. Jackson, come on, cause we gotta call Grandma.
Get out of here.
Daddy gotta call Grandma. So I found 9 candles. This is a cookies and cream cake. I didn't put any writing on it because it's not really necessary. He knows it's his birthday. So we're gonna sing happy birthday to him.
Well, I'm gonna watch TV in a little bit too, so.
Come on, Papa.
Peeps.
Bring the gift and everything. Come on, everybody. Go get Jordan.
Jordan! Lovely Jordan.
Where's he sitting at?
You can sit right there.
5,
there?
6, 7, 8.
There.
I don't know how to
It's better if
count.
he sits there.
1, 2,
Is it 9 candles?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 candles, because you are 9.
Sit over there.
Over here?
Over where?
Now we're just looking at the back wall.
Oh, that pretty wall? And now all that.
Sit down.
Oh, yes, that's a pretty wall. I love that wall.
Let me see it. You don't play with it in a little bit.
We play with that. We gotta light the candles.
Good, very good.
Say hi to Grandpa. They're on the phone.
So thank you.
I did.
What am I doing? I did.
Alright, hold it. I'm gonna light the candles.
Okay. Did.
Don't let me accidentally
What kind of patrol is this?
hang up.
That's tiny.
I'm trying to eat that.
Chill out.
Eat nice. Imagine this is different anyway.
Whoa. Huh?
I don't know why the app is acting like that. Oh shit, I got wax on them.
It's okay. Wax goes great with the cake.
Ew. He is sit there.
Only her would say that.
Only that.
Okay, you ready?
That's milk. You ready?
Okay, ready, go, babe.
You see it.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
You wasn't born yet. Happy birthday, dear Jackson. You wasn't born yet. Happy birthday to you.
That camera.
How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? Happy birthday. Are you? You supposed
out, Jack.
Make a wish.
Blow your candles.
Yay! Corona, Corona. All right. Happy birthday, buddy. Now we save all them candles for Jason and Jordan. We need that. Actually,
No,
no.
por lo menos lo viste.
You don't eat it.
Destiny's
This
first.
is mine.
Yeah.
This one's mine.
You can't eat it.
Don't eat it.
Don't eat it.
Hey.
I used to eat these.
Ew.
You're
I
nasty.
used to want to eat these.
You're nasty. Okay, guys, I'm tired. This is it for Jackson's birthday vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys for the weekend. Bye, guys.